Yo, the real estate market is not down. You just don't have the right tools to make money in a weird market like what we're experiencing right now in 2025, 2026. Going forward, I don't think real estate's ever gonna be the same ever again. I buy houses just like this one, 17742 West Via Hermosa Lane in Surprise, Arizona. I got paid upfront for buying the deal. I helped a couple of real estate agents make their money. I'm gonna make passive income on this house. The coolest thing is I did not use credit. I did not use cash of my own. I did not use any credentials. Nobody asked for my tax returns, my W-2, none of that stuff. And I wanna show you how to do this too. I've got a portfolio of 2,132 houses that cash flow hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. But really, I just wanna help you get your first deal. And I wanna help you avoid banks. I wanna help you avoid high interest rates. The rate I got on this house is 4%. Nobody checked my credit. Nobody cared. And nobody asked me what my tax returns were. So if you wanna get into the game of real estate, you gotta learn creative finance. And I made you a case study on exactly how I'm doing it and how 15,000 of my students are doing it all over the country as well. All you gotta do is click the link down below.